The 2014 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, navigation package, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.